Good morning everyone, my name is Arslan and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So today we'll be starting exercise 7.2 and I hope that you have revised the previous concepts regarding fraction, what is a proper fraction, improper fraction and a mixed fraction, how do we compare fractions, like little bit of that, and how do we represent fractions on the number line, and how do we convert improper into a mixed and vice versa. So coming to exercise 7.2, the question number 1 says that draw the lines and locate the points on them. We have to denote the fractions on the number line. So we have the following three questions. The first question will be done over here and we'll do like 0, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, and then an arrow and then an arrow. You can represent it like that, and over here you can write minus 1 upon 4 and you can write 5 upon 4, and these 4 will be the representation. Answer B, 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. So similarly you can do something like that, minus 1 upon 8, 0, and this will be 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8, 8 upon 8 and 9 upon 8 and arrow. Okay, so whatever you want, 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 7 upon 8, just highlight it like this and you are good to. Answer C, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 8 upon 5, 4 upon 5. So it will be minus 1 upon 5, 0, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5 and 6 upon 5 and arrow. So just highlight it using this like 2 upon 5 and you are good to go, and highlight the remaining also 3 upon 5, 8 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So as I told you that you have to represent the fractions having the same denominator on a same number line and having a different denominator on a different number line. Do not make multiple zeros on the same number line, as that will cost you your marks and it is inappropriate and incorrect. Question number 2. Express the following as mixed fractions. So we have been given certain improper fractions and we have to represent it as mixed fraction. So now 20 upon 3 is given. 20 upon 3 will be, as I told you, you just have to divide it. So 20 will be divided by 3 and you will see that you are getting 6 3s are 18. So 6 times and it will be 18, and this 2, and this will be ultimately 6 2 by 3. And in order to make it again an improper fraction, just multiply it and add it and you will get the answer. 11 upon 5, that will be 2, 1 upon 5, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 11 upon 5. 17 upon 7, that will be 7 2s are 14 and 3, so this will be 2, 3 upon 7, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17 upon 7. 28 upon 5, so 5 5s are 25 and 3 upon 5, so 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28 upon 5. 19 upon 6, so 6 3s are 18, so this will be 3, 1 upon 6, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. 35 upon 9, that will give you 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27. So 27, and then you will have 3 and 5 8, so 3 8 upon 9, and the answer will be 3 8 upon 9. If you want to make it an improper again, 9 3s are 27 and plus 8 will be 35, and that will give you 35 upon 9. Coming to the next question. Express the following as improper fractions. Okay, express the following as improper fraction. Sometimes the laptop hangs, that is why I wait 1 or 2 seconds so that it can stabilize while scrolling down. So okay, 7 3 by 4. So as I told you that 7 3 by 4 will be, just let me check if everything is okay. Yes, everything is okay. So So 7 3 by 4 will be, you can rewrite it as 7 3 by 4, and 4 sevens are 7 fours are 28, and plus 3 will be 29 30 31 upon 4. Similarly, 5 6 upon 7 will be written as 5 6 upon 7. 7 5s are 35, plus 6 will be 41 upon 7. Similarly, 256 will be written as 2 whole 5 upon 6, and 6 2s are 12, plus 5 is equal to 17, and this will be written as 17 upon 6. Do not forget to write an equal to sign between them, so that can be differentiated, that they are both equal to each other. That can be signified or denoted that they are equal to each other. So 10 3 upon 5, this is not 16, this is 10 3 upon 5, and 10 5s are 50 50 3 upon 5. 9 3 by 7 will be 9 3 by 7, and that is 9 sevens are 63. It is equal to 66 upon 7, and 8 4 upon 9 will be 8 nines are 72, and 76 upon 9. So in one of my previous videos in the earlier chapters, I told you that you should have grasp, or you should have command on tables at least up till 13, and it will be better if you have up till 15, and it will be very good if you have till 20, as you will have like 16 17 18 and 19 also in your command. So at least till 13 you must have that. 15 is better and 20 is very good. Coming to the next question. Okay, exercise 7.2 has been completed. That is good. Okay, so in the next video, we will be starting the topic of equivalent fractions, and what are equivalent fractions and how do we convert an integer or different fractions as an equivalent fractions, and how can we generate them. So if you have watched our videos till now, and if you like them, do subscribe, hit the bell icon and like our videos. Comment in case you have any suggestions and share it with your friends. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.